way to enjoy music while you're actually out enjoying your watercraft. It has a way to control it here on the handlebars, so you can adjust your volume, your mode, different things like that. It also has a way to connect a USB stick inside of your storage area, so you can just download music onto USB and have it there. If you lose it by accident, no big deal. It's not a phone, it's just something cheap and easy. We also have the features of the cruise control, so you can set a speed in rough water that comes into play where you're not having to accelerate or having to control the throttle while you're running the ski. We also feature 3-seat design, of course. Nice big boarding ladder on the back. Makes it easy to transition